Hi, my name is Tyler Strobel. I'm not a real doctor, but I do play one on TV.
This is my video about the spread of germs.
And why it is important to sneeze into your elbow, not your hands.
Let's take a closer look with this black light.
Oh, my pencil broke. Can I borrow yours?
Sure.
Here, you want your pencil back?
No, thank you. It was in your mouth.
Let's take a closer look at that sneeze. Let's look at the handoff. Now let's see what happens. Wow, that was really gross. Now that was an example why you need to sneeze to your elbow, not your hand. My name is Tyler Strobel. That's my video. Thanks for watching.